as you can see, this is our new place. Like, you can kind of see a piece. I'm in the kitchen area because there's like a light right here. I have my ring light set up back there and we booming. Anyway, so came in the little DHL bag, whatever. The hair that I got today is from DSoar Hair. Okay, anybody who watches my reviews, anybody who knows about me knows that number one, numero uno, I love boxes. Like, it's just so nice. It's like when you have a place to put your wig. I love organization, so just slide this on the top of your closet, you're good. The box feels like it's quality. So if you're traveling, if you need to pack that baby in your bag, you're good to go. The back has actual hair care instructions, which is great. There's hair wash, how to wash the hair, so 6 steps. Has a hair care, there's like 4 steps. And we live. So we're just gonna get right into it. Well, not really, because we're now getting into it. But slide up top. So you slide off the top. As soon as you open up the box, the first thing that greets you is this mink eyelash set. And you know how most of the time, I don't know if they sent this to me because it's a review, but these are some nice lashes. Like, I don't know if you could see that, but these are something I would actually consider putting on my eyeball. My eyelid. Yeah, they're mink lashes apparently. I don't know, it looks so good to me. It looks like it's soft, but they could be doing that little YouTube trick, trying to separate it. They gave me this, I think it just really says, yeah, my information, the kind of hair that I got. The kind of hair that I got, it didn't even say. It's the Malaysian Body Wave in lengths 2 24s and 2 26-inch bundles. So Body Wave, I said that. And a 20-inch Lace Frontal, the 13x4. So it goes all the way across your head. Yeah, so the first thing that we're gonna look at, the hair comes very, very, very neat. Like this, like that. And then this was just on the top, like, succulent. Just freaking succulent. So the first thing we're gonna look at is the frontal. But I'm gonna be more picky this time. I'm gonna make sure that, you know, you guys are not out here spending your money. The hair was actually really freaking cheap. I forget how much it costs, but it was like an amazing, ooh, I just got a waft of it in my face. But yeah, I'll put the prices and the links and everything down below of what I got. And yeah, so far that you can smell it. You can smell it. Okay. This is the frontal. It looks as if it almost has like a pre-plucked, I don't know if you could, you see how it's like, so lighter up here and then it goes, I'm sorry, my nails are not done. And it goes like a little darker, but it's done so perfectly that it's gonna help you out if you're like a first time plucker, for lack of a better word. And it's not gonna give you as much of a real job, because I know that usually whenever I get frontals, it's like full at the very front. This looks like it has like a nice little gradient effect almost to it. So you just have to pluck a little bit. It looks like they already gave some baby hairs. I don't know whose baby hairs goes down there. Like, this is a bang, fam. Like, that is a bang. And the hair is really silky though. I mustn't, oh, yeah, look at that. Oh shit. But it does have a chemical scent. It does. The color, I feel like it's close to mine. It might work a lot better if it was a little lighter. Just a little smidge, like a slap lighter, just lighter. Because you could tell, like, it looks like I'm wearing pantyhose or something. Let's do a little head test. okay, okay. So you see that there? And I'm wearing a whole wig underneath, but it is very full, and it, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Already the wig's not even on, but I also haven't washed it, but you can already tell this is about to be booming, super booming. I really like this. It looks like it's very, very good construction. You definitely need to bleach the needs, bleach the knots, but you have to with like every frontal out there. Sorry, I really like side parts, so I'm thinking I might do that. But look, it's very, very nice. I'm actually impressed, especially because I've never heard of DSoar hair before. No shade, but like I haven't heard of it before. So when they reached out to me, I was just like, no one's gonna watch that because well, what is that? But so far, so frontally good. We're gonna open up a 26-inch. It looks, I wish I should get a ruler for these, or a measuring tape, so I can tell if it's true to length, you know. Oh, also it comes in a very nice resealable bag. It has the marking that's the 26 body. I love that. I love this bag. Oh, organization at its finest. The hair, there's a little purple band that signifies that it's 100% human hair. Comes in an elastic band. Usually it's like a gold tie around. I don't know what it's called, but this has an elastic. Ugh. I hate messing things up because I know I'm not about to do my hair anytime soon. Even though I want to. Okay, so wow, it was tied to that, not the hair, which is good. Great. This is a 26-inch hair. Very bouncy. This is beautiful hair. It has like a 1-2 strand that is coming out, but that's obvious going to happen. Obviously, that will happen. Oh, this is nice. I love this. I might just end up making a wig tonight. Okay, I'm whining about tonight because I don't have no utensils or utilities to begin this. But yeah, this is a 26-inch hair. I'm 6 foot, as everybody knows. It's a girl 6. I'm just wearing a basic ass t-shirt, but on me, the hair falls, and the back of my neck, the hair falls like right here. Oh, it's a good thing I'm wearing a white t-shirt. Stretched out, it's like right there. We're gonna flip it to the back. Right here. And then, I guess it goes like right above my Nicolati. But thanks for watching. If this is the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, because it's gonna be cute. Okay. If you got it, fly it, boy, I know you want. Okay, bye baby.